So good morning everyone. My name is Micaela, a Batawan from BSED Filipino 2, and today I'm going to discuss is all about the peer assessment. So kapag sinasabi nating peer assessment is a method of evaluation that involves having students review, analyze, and provide feedback on the work of their peers. It fosters critical thinking skills and a sense of responsibility and has become a valuable tool in various contexts, from educational to workplace and the realm of academic research. Kapag sinasabi nating pre-assessment, it provides a structured learning process for students to constructivity, critic, and provide feedback on each other's work. So halimbawa ng peer feedback na karaniwang nangyari dito sa loob ng classroom ay formative feedback, group projects, and group discussion. So through this feedback na nanggagaling sa ating mga kaklase o kasama, mas makikita natin o malalaman ang mga kailangan pa nating i-improve through group discussions. So it really important in the classroom use to assess collaboration. And peer assessment can help a student who are doing the assessment because the act of assessing peer work can strengthen critical thinking skills and help students understand faculty expectation. So if ang mga mag-aaral can understand and assess their peers based sa hinahanap ng mga guro o guro natin, they can better understand what they need to know and how to perform on their own work. So, meron tatlong types of peer assessment. So, first, student peer assessment. So, this type of peer assessment is requires a classroom culture characterized by supportive, collaborative relationships that lead to feelings of mutual trust among the students. So, it's really important sa mga students to apply collaboration and supportive classmate in such as classroom culture. Students understand that they share responsibility for their own and their peers learning, and that part of this joint responsibility is provide constructive, respectful, and non-judgmental. So yan yung first na type of peer assessment. So i-discuss ni Binibining Krishna Pineda yung dalawang uh, types pa ng peer assessment. So thank you.